Okay, hi, I'm Jerry, and I'm from Brentwood, and decided finally after 6 months of doing a little research and some medical issues and stuff, and finally decided to go to solar, and wanted to take advantage of the much lower costs for electricity. So we decided to do it, and finally I talked to Tim, and he got us all together and wrapped up, and put us all with the HomeX, which is the company that supplied it, put the power solar up and everything. So just we're enjoying it now. So thank you.